Okay, now we have the tree, and now we have the new bird feeder, and here we have the bird feeder himself filling up the bird feeder.
And it's a double-barreled one now.
And it's a double-barreled one now.
Yeah.
So, oops. Okay. So you got to climb up quite high on the ladder.
Yeah, put the caps on now.
And put the caps on. Yep. So we don't get any water coming in. And then you come down. And Robert's going to come down the ladder and take the plugs out. Okay. So this is, I mean, look at this. What a sturdy, whew, that's not going anywhere. Hurricane Katrina can come in here and that's not going to go anywhere. So, I'm going to just take the plugs out. Okay. And there you have the one. And Robert, you can come and take the other one out.
Okay. There we go. That's it. It's commissioned now.
It's commissioned. Right.
Yep, gates are open.
The gates are open, birds can come and feed. And there ain't another. Oops. Okay. Oh, I had to do this right in the middle of the video. Oh dear. So, as I was saying, with all this clattering of of ladders, oh God! Every time I do a video, somebody makes a noise. Okay, so there we go. There is the bird feeder, the only one in the world. If you know of another one, please let us know. That'll do for about 4 months when it's filled up, because we've timed it. Okie doke, bye.